Dalai Lama, I was fortunate to be grown up and brought up spiritually by my elders, 80s, 90s, and I never heard them argue against anybody.
그래서
그러나서 지그질이야 야리 잡았던 통마선스 야리 잡았던 통마선스 지그질이야 그랑단 라마스
결혼하고 통마송.
통마졌어.
Yes.
So being born in the body I am,
그래.
I'm getting there. You have to wait, please. I beg. You know your age is past mine. As an elder, that's the beauty of growing old. Patience is a beautiful gift that sometimes we all don't get. Being born in the skin I am, but still being taught about the greater good. How do then we who seek it work with those who do not seek it for us?
What question?
들으셨는데 그 맛이 고란 메리나고와 메리나고도 좀 되게 돈에 디톤에 강해지 되게 어려서 이내다 간다 고란기 디기 쳐야다 대외람 쳐야 간다 추적고 돈에 째야 째고 돼 막미막 붙이기 디 쳐야 돼 내가 통금도 다들 가와 자고 그랬어 고란 개치 뭐 보통 현다주 통고 통도요 말았어
통당주.
말에 디기 그다 쳐고 람고 돈에 디기 쳐야 저 봐. 디 쳐야 돼. 대바 쳐야 돼. 대바 현다주고 디 개치 뭐 찍는도 다들 가리 나왔어.
That's I think, as I already mentioned, our society more materialistic culture, materialistic life. So I think majority of the people not much pay attention about our inner value. That's why you see a lot of problems, a lot of man-made problems we are facing. So due to lack of moral principle. So, as your own experience, when you saw more people not much pay attention, that, you see, should use
to encourage, to empower and encourage you further.
Good. Thank you.
One more question from an elder who gave it to me. She wanted to know whether you received the picture of Muhammad Ali and yourself.
Muhammad Ali.
다 군들린제 구바지도 뒤 조여나 메나스. 군들린제 구바 여러분.
I met few occasions Muhammad Ali. I really also admire him. As a person, I admire, not his that Kasa.
Boxing. Boxing.
That knowledge or
that skill.
Oh.
That skill.
Oh. So I met few occasions. Wonderful person. Wonderful person.
But this elder said she sent you a picture and she wanted to know whether you've received it. It's not my question. I have to respect my elders, and that's what she asked me to ask you.
When you sent?
It's not me. Where is it?
Oh, then okay. Later, I will get.
Yeah.
Thank you. No problem. Thank you.